Hi, it's Chef Adam. Today we're going to be making some homemade Play-Doh using only things that are found in pretty much everybody's kitchen. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your water and you're just going to pour it into the pot, as well as some vegetable oil and food coloring. I'm going to do green, put a bunch in. And then you're just going to mix it together and set the stove to medium-low. The next thing is you're going to take all of your dry ingredients. Here, the flour, cream of tartar powdered, and a bunch of salt. And then just mix these together. Once that's all incorporated, you add the dry stuff to the pot. And mix it all together. Given enough time and enough stirring, it'll turn into a dough. It's been about 3 minutes since I started, and it's starting to firm up a little bit. It's getting kind of clumpy, but it's still got a bit to go. We want it to be more ball-shaped than this, so it's got a few minutes left. So now it's been probably 5 minutes since I started. And I've just kind of been folding it over itself. Once it's kind of staying in shape and more uniform like this, I'm going to take it out, turn off the stove, and I'm just going to transfer it to a counter. And then I'll knead it for a few minutes. And it is pretty hot, just coming off the stove, so be careful. And then just knead it until you deem it finished, I suppose. One thing I really like about this Play-Doh is how soft it is. Everybody that has played with it has all commented the same thing. So you don't just make it once and then it dries out the next day. Okay, so I kneaded it for about 5 minutes, and once that was done, I just kind of formed it into a ball and I set to let it cool, and it will store for a few days. So you're just going to take some saran wrap, just take a strip of it, and just kind of cover it, twist it shut, so then it's airtight, and then put it into a Tupperware container with a lid, and it will last a long time. It's really great for all ages. I've had some infants play with it, and it's really fun watching them explore the new feeling, because what really feels like Play-Doh. And it's really fun for the older kids when they learn how to make worms and they learn how to form balls. I'm Chef Adam, and I hope that my instructional video on how to make Play-Doh was helpful. There will be a link to the website that I got this recipe off of with all of the, it's kind of a rehash of what I said and all of the actual ingredient amounts. So I'm just making my mega worm here.